Lasernet for Dynamics' latest release for finance and operations, version 6.20, delivers a wide variety of quality of life updates and enhancements, ideal for your document processes. With a feature to update the label printer directly within the mobile device and improved options to specify or lock destinations for users of a document, this release is optimal for users looking to streamline their document capabilities. The option for defining a default printer for label printing at the warehouse has been improved within the Warehouse Management app. Now, users can not only define a default printer, but can also scan and set a default printer directly in the Warehouse Management app. We have created a mobile device menu item that lets you either type or scan the printer's name to set or update your default label printer. With the FO Connector version 6.20, it is also possible to specify or lock a destination for a brand new query report. The dialog options field has been renamed to Printer Settings Initialization and moved from the General group into the Destination Defaults group. It now has two more options to choose from: Start With and Specified Read Only. Start With would allow the destination to get changed when resending from a journal or from the Lasernet archive, whereas Specified Read Only would always use the destination specified for the report with no option to adjust the settings. Both are useful when a business wishes to ensure that an end user can always select their desired destination. For a full rundown of everything included in version 6.20, head over to support.formpipe.com today.